Welcome to our video on the importance of matching labels on a crane system remote control to the actual movements of the crane system. Let's explore why this is crucial for safe and efficient crane operations. The following are regulatory requirements from the Crane Manufacturers Association of America, or CMAA, and the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, also known as ASME. CMAA Spec 79 states that controls shall be clearly marked and all markings shall be clearly legible. The daily inspection, which is required to be performed by the operator or another designated person at the start of each shift or at a time the crane is first used during each shift, should include a check that all travel motions agree with the control device markings. ASME B30 states that each controller shall be clearly marked to indicate the function and direction of movement. Here are 5 reasons why it's important for the labels on a crane system remote control to match the actual movements of the crane system. 1. Operator clarity and understanding. Clear labels help the crane operator know which buttons control specific crane movements, reducing confusion and the chance of pressing the wrong buttons. 2. Safe and precise operation. When labels on the radio match the crane's actual movements, the operator can choose the correct functions more accurately, leading to safer and more precise operation. 3. Consistency and muscle memory. When the labels on the remote control match crane movements, operators can develop muscle memory, making it easier for them to remember which buttons to press for each action. 4. Standardization and training. Having consistent labeling on remote controls helps maintain a standard approach to crane operation. This makes it easier to train new operators and ensures all operators understand and use the controls the same way. 5. Emergency response. In case of emergencies, clear labels on the remote control allow operators to react quickly and take appropriate actions without hesitation, improving response times and potentially preventing accidents or damage. By ensuring the labels on the crane system remote control match the actual movements of the crane system, operators can operate the crane safely, efficiently, and with reduced risk of errors. It also ensures clear communication between the operator and the crane, contributing to a safer working environment and improved productivity.